Hello and welcome to Math 200 Online Statistics at Cañada College. This is the first part of a three-part orientation. In this portion we will take a look at the syllabus and the schedule. In the second part we will take a look at Canvas, our learning management system. And in the third part we will look at My Stat Lab, which is the publisher-provided learning management for our homework assignments, our exams, and our textbook. Let's take a look at the syllabus and schedule. My name is Lapuz, and I will be the instructor for this course. This is Math 200, and there are two sections that will be combined in this course. My email is rlapuz2 at my.smccd.edu. The Canvas courseware can be accessed by this URL, smccd.instructor.com. Later on, I will show you other ways to access Canvas. I have a phone number and an office number listed here, but we will not be using that this summer, as we were still in shelter-in-place mode at our school. I will have office hours through Zoom on Wednesday evenings from 7:30 to 9 p.m. I will make those announcements and I will post the Zoom links in our Canvas page. The dates for this course start on June 15th and they go to July 25th. I want to point out that since we need to have our exams proctored, we will be using a program called Proctorio. You can access or find out more information about Proctorio by going to proctorio.com. We will get a chance to practice Proctorio with a low-stakes assignment, a journal assignment, so you'll be prepared when it comes time to take our exams. Here are the prerequisites and the course description for the course. The course materials, as already stated, we'll be using Canvas. Our textbook will have access through Canvas, and although some of you might be familiar with My Math Lab or My Stat Lab, we will not be using a special ID for the course. All you need to do is you need to get into Canvas, and from there we will have a link that will lead you to My Stat Lab. Now, in doing so, you have to understand that you will agree to pay for this access. More information about this access can be found at this URL, and this URL is available in our syllabus, so you can click on that. This is an online course that uses a lot of technology. You are encouraged to use spreadsheets such as Excel or Google Sheets. You can also use graphing calculators. My Stat Lab also provides special programs such as StatCrunch and StatDisk. And so any of those programs or calculators would work for this course. Of course, you would need computer access, internet access, and all the necessary softwares and plugins. By the end of this course, you will be expected to do things like define statistical terms, compute some basic statistics, compute some basic probability problems, state and give examples and applications of the central limit theorem, and be able to apply inferential statistics to a given statistical problem. and this would include hypothesis tests, confidence intervals, and the interpretations of the result. We have resources available through Cañada College. Our Learning Center will be open virtually this summer. We also have a STEM Center that would provide tutors virtually. I want to reiterate the Learning Center.statistics.php or Learning Center/statistics.php. This is a wealth of resources specifically for this Math 200 course. We also have a DRC, Disabled Resource Center, that is going to be open for the summer. There's a statement about the Title V sexual harassment. You're encouraged to view that at smccd/TitleIX. And we also have an academic integrity policy. If you get caught cheating, you will receive a failing grade for the course. So please don't cheat. Your grades will be based on the following categories. The homework will be worth 20%. The midterm exam will be worth 35%. The final will be 40%. And our journal assignments will be 5%. The homework is where you're going to be doing most of your learning and practicing. There's going to be homework assignments due every week, sometimes twice a week, and so we want to make sure you keep up on these assignments. Most of these will be done, all of these will be done in my stat lab. They have due dates, but if you get past the due date, you can still continue working on your homework assignments, but you will receive some points off. There are absolute deadlines for these assignments, and the absolute deadlines will be based on the exams that those assignments will be covered in. For example, homework assignments from chapters 1 through 6 will be due on July 3rd. This should be 7/3/2020. There will be one midterm assignment or one midterm exam and one final exam. And these exams will come in two parts. The first part will be done through my stat lab, and it would look very similar to the homework assignments. The second part will be done through Canvas, and this is the portion that will use Proctorio. Again, more information will be available regarding this. The journal assignments are easy points assignments, low stakes, but they can contribute to helping you build up your grade. So they're free response assignments, whether they are discussion board assignments or essay assignments or one special assignment where we will get to practice using Proctorio. These are fairly simple. All you have to do is get them done by the due date. We also have a set of extra credit assignments called chapter reading assessments. You can find these at my stat lab, and they will be in form of multiple choice usually. That would be defining terms. Although these are extra credit assignments, I highly suggest that you do them because one, they might be useful for preparing for the exams, and two, these 2% extra credit points could be helpful if you're in a borderline situation. Your final grades will be based numerically through a standard grading scheme with the pluses and minuses. Your grades will be updated in Canvas. Our tentative schedule looks like this. We have some homework assignments, usually coupled due on June 19th. Our first and second journal assignments are due on the 20th and 21st, and so on. To get another view of the schedule, you can also download this grid that would have the schedule. One thing to note though, the schedule starts on a Monday, but this is the whole summer overview of the due dates for this course. That's it for the first part. In the next part, we will be taking a look at Canvas and getting used to the Canvas environment. I'll see you then.